Alright, so I have a 150mm piece of filter paper. It's a circular piece of filter paper. And we're going to flute this so that we get a quick filtration in our gravity filtration setup. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold it in half. So the first couple steps are really easy. So I'm folding it in half. And the key thing is I'm going to make a nice crisp crease along the edge. Like so. I'm then going to fold it in half again to get quarters. And once again, on that fold, I'm going to make sure and give a nice crisp crease, running my fingers along the paper to get that fold in. And this is where it gets a little different than you might think. Now we're going to start taking one corner at a time and folding it over to the other edge. So I'm taking this one uppermost corner and folding it to the corner on the opposite side. And again, I'm going to make a nice crisp crease to that side there by folding the paper. And this is when it's useful to view the fluting from its side profile. I want to flute the paper in such a way that it follows a zigzag pattern. So from my left to the right, left to the right, and so I now need to bring this over so it again follows that alternating zigzag pattern. So I'll fold that again. There, nice crisp edges, and then I'm going to do that process again starting from a single leaf, so that single corner, just bringing that single leaf over to touch the other corner there, nice crisp fold, and I'll start doing my alternating zigzag fluting once again until I've gone down the whole length of the filter paper. So I'm going to flute the remainder of this now. You can even go once more. So I can once again take my uppermost corner and go through the same fluting process again. And now you have a fully fluted piece of filter paper, which we can open out to form a lovely cone that will fit inside of our filter funnel. So you can see if we open that up, we get a lovely fluted piece of paper, and that fits wonderfully into our filter funnel, which we can now use for filtering.